Kwashiorkor is a severe malnutritional disease of children. It occurs due to lack of protein supplement in their diet. Its symptoms are puffy face, distended abdomen, and swollen stomach, hepatomegaly, and they are morely susceptible to infection due to their low immunity power, and they show skin rashes, irritability, and lethargy. If they are not treated in proper time, they develop severe hypothalamic shock, severe infection, and death at last. Thank you very much. Bye.